If you'd like to start the video, smash that like button, smash the subscribe button, and leave a comment. I tried something new, so I was like, yeah, I know. I think I did it quite well. Anyways, today's video is my 100 subscriber video. I'm at like 300 subscribers right now, but like, ignore there's only 200 subscribers left. You might think that this is a murder weapon, but it's not. It's a staple remover. Chop the proportions of a play button. It's 30 centimeters by 25 centimeters. I have a pencil. So the top bit's 20. Why is it so big? It's this big? Okay. I'm gonna get glue and start sticking the paper together. I started going to cutting this, but how would you cut this? With scissors? No way! With a knife. It's a knife. Check this out. I'm looking for an Instagram post. So good it's gonna be. I can't even think, it's so messy. I didn't think it would get this messy. So now I just need to stick paper directly onto it. I kind of stuck a bit to it, so now I need to fake knife. Oh, let's go.
Sing, 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 sing.
You'll have to be an expert, data analyst.
I took a lot of work. Definitely thicker now. Let's see how thick it is. Exactly a centimeter. Cleaning time. Finish the play button. Just kidding.
A few inches later.
Just finished making it. Play the trailer. Yo, so big question. What is in this briefcase? Very professional briefcase, sir. First things first, there's a letter in here. Oh, they wrote me a letter, guys. Letter. YouTube wrote me a letter. So professional. To Huisanke. Congrats for 100.000 subscribers. Oh, even got it to the 3 decimal points. Such nice people. All friends from YouTube. Oh, they're actually so nice. They really didn't have to. Oh, here is my play button. Holy, look at that. Look at the quality on that boy. Look at the quality on that beauty. Holy, even has the message on it. Oh my god. Subscribe.